Yes.
Order of the Leonard City Civil Judge, my lord.
My lords, if I may be allowed to read one paragraph of the order of the lord of the lower court, my lords. It's at page number 36 and 37, my lords.
First of all, how a suit is maintainable when already the surface proceedings are initiated by the
Lords,
appellant?
we were
When
alleging.
you're saying fraud,
Yes.
just to come within the bracket of the Honorable Apex Court judgment, where did you say? Let's see your plaint. What is the fraud that you are pleading? Let's see that.
Page 39 onwards.
Page
Plaint.
number?
Page 39 onwards, plaint.
Where is that paragraph with regard to the fraud, allegations of fraud?
My lords, I think para number 8, 9, and 10, my lords.
Paragraph number 8, 9, and 10. Please read.
It is submitted that the defendant number 1 has sanctioned the loan for 4 crore 80 lakhs to the plaintiff number 2 with an interest rate of 15% per annum. A copy of the sanction letter dated so and so is produced as so and so. It is pertinent to mention that even before the sanction letter was issued, defendant number 1 insisted that the plaintiff number 2 had to execute a mortgage deed. Accordingly, a memorandum of deposit or title deed dated so and so was executed in favor of defendant number 1. The aforesaid memorandum of deposit or title deed was registered as document number so and so, recorded in so and so before the sub-register. A copy of the said memorandum is produced. The mortgage was created with respect to Schedule B property. A perusal of the memorandum of deposit or title deed dated so and so show that the mortgage was land and not the flats. It is further relevant to submit that the defendant number 2 is the absolute owner of Schedule B property and she had signed the mortgage deed as a guarantor. The loan was sanctioned to the plaintiff so and so and is marked as so and so. The plaintiff number 2 submits that there is no mortgage in favor of the defendant number 1 with respect.
This is the fraud. 8, 9, and 10 is the fraud.
My lords, further, my lords. Further, my lords.
No, come to that relevant where you have alleged fraud. Fraud.
My lords, in 15, my lords, in paragraph 15.
Yes.
A perusal of the demand notice would go to show that the bank has played a fraud in issuing and publishing demand notice.
What is fraud in that?
My lords, so what has happened is, my lords, we had taken a loan on a Schedule A property, which is a site, my lords, on which.
But yes, when the surface proceedings are initiated.
Yes, my lords.
It is not something which the court cannot, before the appropriate forum, it cannot be decided, that it has to be decided by the trial court.
My lordships, on this particular site, certain apartments have been built. There is no plan sanction for this apartment. There is no kata for this apartment. Nothing is as of date. It is not yet a completed apartment. It is 90% done. The final touches have to be done, my lords. My lords, in the demand notice, if you see, my lordships, in the...
There is something wrong with the demand notice. That is not a fraud.
My lordships, I'm
I'm
coming clean to my lordship's hands.
The process of the court and you filed... you have taken loan in the year 2014.
Yes,
2024. Now, when is the suit filed in 2024?
Yes,
in such time, you are not realized.
My lords, the demand notice was issued only in 2020.
The demand notice, before that, even before the surface proceedings are initiated, there was a, as you were submitting.
There was an award, my lord, on 19/7/2018.
That is by the
for recovery of 6 crore.
My lords, even today, I am not questioning that I have to pay the amount. I'm not saying I don't have. I have to pay the amount.
Then why are you filing the suit?
My lords, I am willing to. My lords, if my lordships may see the operative portion of the order of the IA, my lord.
Whatever it is, if you are willing to pay, that's not a charity or some benefit you are doing to the bank.
Of course not.
You have to pay the amount.
Of course
not. No, the same can be done before when the surface proceedings are pending or before the forum which has jurisdiction. You can tell that I'm ready for a settlement.
My lords, the DRT will not. My lords, the DRT will not entertain what I am willing to propose right now, my lordships. My lordships, there are 6 apartments in the site, and there are about, I think, 20 sites in the agricultural land which we have placed.
Whatever is the settlement, because you want to settle and DRT do not allow you.
Yes.
That will not give a cause of action for you to file a suit.
If my lordships may consider this one submission, my lords. Even today, my lords, we are willing to sell the apartments. Let the bank take the first right on the lien, which is I think coming from the sale of the property. Let the bank itself be a party to the sale deed. Let them take the money which is coming from the sale of these apartments, sale of these sites first, until their amount, whatever they are claiming here, has been settled. For that, I am willing to file a joint memo or compromise petition, whatever it is, my lords, today. My lords, what we require is, my lords, we require a no objection certificate from the bank for individual apartments to sell the property, my lords. My lords, it is a 5,600 square feet site, my lords. Each apartment will fetch a good amount of money. If the bank is permitted to sell this particular site by themselves, it will not fetch good money, and we will also be put to great loss and hardship, my lords. My only submission is that there are 6 apartments, there are 20 sites. You sell each apartment, you sell each site until your loan amount has been cleared today. You are claiming 24 crores. Okay, I admit that we have to pay 24 crores with interest, penal interest, whatever it is. I am willing to go to the extent of even supporting you and finding you buyers, my lords. We have buyers also ready, my lords. We are in the construction business for a long time. We have purchasers ready. We want the purchasers to come. Let them issue. Let them be a part of the sale deed.
That was not his stand all throughout.
No,
There's
no.
okay.
My lords,
No, one, please. wait.
please. Sorry.
No, he is ready. No, whatever that the apartment that they have sold. Now, even if you take this FSI proceedings further, you have to sell the property.
That's true.
That's the only thing
That is
to recover the amount, the
That's-
loan amount that they have taken.
that's
So, what do you say about this proposal he's saying?
my lord. The trial court has stated so 6 months ago. Till now, my lord, neither he has
We'll ask them.
neither he has
No,
come
no,
nor he has
Tuesday.
sold anything.
No,
Nor he has paid any
No, no, no.
amount.
By Tuesday,
Ah.
whatever he is submitting before the court,
Ah, ah.
let him come up with an affidavit and with all the
Please.
relevant particulars.
Ah.
Then what you want is you don't want his property to be sold. You want your money
Money.
back.
That's right, absolutely right. Now, my lord, question is, if he wants my lord to sell any one particular flat, let us say, he has a customer for good sum of money. No bank, let alone myself, we will not obstruct him at all because we are interested in money. Now look at my lord these facts. We gave 5/11/2014 5 crores. 12/11/2014 4 crore 8 lakhs, 80 lakhs. Then NPA in the year
No,
2015.
no. What we will do is
Ah.
we'll do like this.
18 my lord,
According to
awards
you-
came
no,
to
no.
be passed.
According to you, he has
Now,
been,
we are in 2024. Court bill has passed my lord, judgment 6 months ago.
My lords, for the
Asking
past
him
10 years,
to come
they
to
have,
me,
they have put interest.
I
I'm not-
sell it. But
no, whatever, now the settlement would be, you will be, you are also, entitled for the interest. Calculating everything, let them come up with
Please,
some
Lord.
proposal. If it happens, ultimately you
That's it.
should
No, no.
recover the money.
no,
Come up with that. File an
absolutely
affidavit.
no difficulty.
Pose this matter on Tuesday. When?
On Tuesday, my lords, as my lordship says, we will
No,
come
no,
up with an
today is
affidavit.
Monday. I thought like.
Next Tuesday, I thought, my
No,
lords.
before by this weekend, Thursday.
On Thursday, my lords.
Pose this matter on Thursday at the request of learned counsel for the respondent plaintiff. By that time, he shall file an affidavit and the terms of settlement and give a copy in advance to the counsel for
Please, my
the,
lords. Please, my lords.
but the appellant defendant. Yes.
Obligation.